Right, hi sexy crew. Right, I've got these 3 boats going out. They look really nice. I missed that one really because I thought it was only going to be one. But then this other one came out here, look. And then its mate decided to turn up there as well. Just going on some regatta somewhere. Probably up Dartmouth, which is up the road. Or maybe it's the other way really. I don't know. Anyway, I'm in Plymouth. Look at the sea, man. The sea looks beautiful today. Lovely blue, clear, crystal sea. That boat's been parked out there for weeks, so I don't know what's going on. Oh, that's there's the island, look, Drake's Island. And I thought I called it Devil's Island last week, but it's nice. See that bit of land there? That's called Devil's Point. Oh no, not that one. Right in the background. Devil's Point. It's a nice beach over there. Well, not beach, but it's like a grass sand. Oh, look, it sounds like all kids on the boats. So I can zoom in a bit. Oh, that's about it from Plymouth Sound. Alright, see you later, YouTubers. Look, you can see all 3 in a row now. Well, not really see them all, because I had to zoom in a bit. But there they are, all in abreast going to sea. It's fucking lovely, man. It must be great. Let's just show you a boat that's just cruising by. Oh, God, it's fucking great here. That boat that's been parked out there for ages, this little one goes in and out every few days. Oh, it's fucking, isn't this place lovely, man? Well, Plymouth Sound this is called. Sexy people. If you ever come to Plymouth in England, you have to come here, because this is where it's at. The best view in the world, this is. Well, if you're into the sea like me. Alright, and more in a bit, bye. Oh, look at this, man. Alright, so I'm down here by Drake's Island again. Got a couple of tugboats. So this one, it looks good with the island in the background. But it's a nice day. It's gone a bit cloudy now, like. There's another one behind it. Yeah, they're fucking great, man. Now that's the fucking kind of boat you want to go around the world on. It costs a lot in fucking go-go juice, mind. Do you know what I mean? Got these geezers in the water down here. One of them just fell in. He was fucking screaming his head off because it was fucking freezing. But there's loads of boats around here today. Well, that's about it now for the YouTubers. See you later. Bye. I'm at the Plymouth Motorcycle Club Chestnut Appeal. It's a charity for testicular cancer. Anyway, it's a bike show. So all these are some of the bikes showing up. There's supposed to be a few. So I don't know where they're going to park. Right, I'm on Plymouth Hoe anyway, so as you can tell, here they come. Look, there's a few more. Oh, look at this guy on this trike. Look, that looks good. All right, mate. Looking good. It's not me. I don't know what's going on. It's nothing to do with me. Sorry. Oh, okay. There's a few come up there, but I don't know what's going on really. Stop it for a bit and then see when the next fucking loads. There we go. I can hear them. Just can't see anyone. Oh wait. Look at that wheel, man. It's fucking absolutely massive. Look at this. Fucking hell. Rocket 350 GT it's called. 2,500cc. Fucking what a bike. Jesus. What a bike, man. I think this one's for you, Dave. This looks like your kind of fucking wheels. Beautiful. Beautiful bike. Well, anyway, I'm at this bike show. Well, there's a few more bikers showing up. I'll go and have a look at the bikes. Well, that's it for today, sexy people. I don't even see the sea behind me. I've been at the beach all day. It's fucking marvellous. Alright, love your sexy crew bike. It's got a frog boat coming in here. It's nice, don't it? Nice day for shooting pictures of boats. Look, you see the Lido down there, look Plymouth Lido. It's a nice looking boat though. It's good, doesn't it? Nice. That's a nice one of Plymouth Lido with it in the background. Here's another one, but there ain't many coming. Oh, here we go. Look, there's a couple more behind. Yeah, he looks good. There's a bloke on the trike over there, look. He's on here. You can't really see him, I have to zoom in. Anyway, I'll show you the lighthouse. Give that a good, give that a little look. Some nice bikes here though. Oh, I don't know what's going on here. They don't seem like there's loads of them. Anyway, I'll do this bike over there because it looks really cool. Look at this bike from the back, man. Right, this is a Triumph anyway.